Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 29, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. It will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another these cells. It will confirm later. Column G, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. It will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, and 5th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another these cells. It will confirm later. Then column G, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 3, 8. 6th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. 4th grade, we already have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Column H, 7th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 2nd row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 4, 7. Column I, we have 1, 5, 4. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I and column C, we have pair numbers 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirm here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, on column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, column H, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. 2nd row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then third grid, only one numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. Seventh grid, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Eighth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then seventh grid, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.